Hi guys, welcome back to the Scan Tool Network. In this video, video on the X-Tool D7. This is like a, it does say P700, but it is the D7, the serial number D7, as you can see there. It's a really cool little tool actually. It's nice and sort of nice. It's about the size of an iPad Mini, and it's a diagnostic tool, but it obviously it doubles up as a tablet as well. If we look at there we go, you can like sort of go online and things like that, but the purpose of this video is really just to show you diagnosing this on a vehicle. Now we've got an Audi A6 here with a few warning lights, which are all ready to reset. So it's just going to be a really super quick video on this tool, just showing you diagnosing and resetting the faults. Now this tool is available just by clicking the link in the description below this video. It's going to take you to the Amazon listing. It's the genuine and official product. There are fakes, there are clones on Amazon, on eBay, things like that. We're trying to get rid of them in helping X-Tool do that, because they know that it is a problem as well, and it reflects badly on them as a company because they're not the official tools. Okay, so we're going to go into Diagnosis. No, we're not. We're going to go to Auto Scan. I'm going to click OK. Now we're going to go, it's an Audi A6 after 2011. So it's found the VIN number, it's found the vehicle, and we're going to go to full system diagnosis. So we're going to go to engine electronics, because that is what the flashing glow plug is. It's commonly misdiagnosed as a glow plug fault, but it's not. It's like, it's a sort of an engine electrical engine fault. Okay, so it's because of this fault here, the fuel injector cylinder 1 open circuit. If you see any U codes in this particular video, just ignore them, because they are popping up on this vehicle quite a bit, so we need to investigate those a bit further, but it's got nothing to do with the flashing glow plug light in this particular case. So this one here just needs to be reset after fixing, and the flashing glow plug light has gone there. Okay, and it's the same process for the other faults as well. I'll show you those, but it's diagnose, fix, reset. So if we go to the brake electronics, we'll go to, I'll show you the codes. Again, U code, and then these are the ABS faults. So it's all being sorted. Clear trouble code, ABS light is gone, and same again for the airbag system. Fault has been sorted, but I'll show you the trouble code. There we go. Front passenger side airbag, igniter, all sorted. Clear trouble code, and the airbag light has gone off. So I didn't want to go into too much detail there. I just wanted to make this like a really short video of this tool, sort of in action, if you like. But you know, there are sort of like three main steps to diagnosing and fixing these cars. It's like diagnose it and find the fault, fix the fault, and then reset the fault. If you follow those three steps, you generally can't go wrong, but it does cover like a huge range of makes and models. I clicked on diagnosis before and it didn't come up. Right, because it didn't come up then, because you got to click on either Europe, America, Asia, or China, or Australia. There's usually an option which has like all, so you can see a list of all of them, but they must have separated them with the latest software update. I do apologise, my voice has got a bit croaky. But yeah, it was only just a short video just to show you that the tool resetting these faults on it's a 2016 Audi A6, alright? But it covers a huge range of other makes and models. So if you are interested, as I say, use the link in the description below this video. As I say, there are fakes, there are clones out there, and they can and will damage your vehicle. It's just not worth going down that route. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.